Hello, today I will teach how to do a curve pattern with Onshape. So let's get started. Here's Onshape, freeze description. I'm going to go to create, document. Alright, I'm going to hide this right view, so click on that and hit Y. Let's click on my top view. So right now I want to create just a cylinder. I want to extrude that cylinder up and I want to put a helix on it. So that will be the guide string. Okay, so let's go with a sketch top. Slide that over. And we're going to go with a cylinder. So center point circle, click on the center right there. See how it didn't connect it? Here's how to connect it. Once I'm going to do dimension here, so let's do this as 50 millimeters. And now I want to escape out of that. Then I want to click on this guy, click on that guy, and hit my coincident. So they snap together, everything's black, it's fully constrained, okay? So now, rotation with the right mouse button. Let's click OK, green check. And now we're going to extrude this. So go over here to extrude, grab this, pull it all the way up. Let's go about 100 millimeters tall, okay? And now let's create a helix around this, okay? So helix, we conical or cylindrical face, this guy. We're going to choose our revolutions. Let's say it's 10, okay? And now we want to put where we want our start of our new solid body to be revolved around this, and then we'll create that curve pattern. So let's create a new sketch on top view, okay? And then we want to build it from this point right here where the helix ends. You can see this helix coming down to an end right there. So let's grab that point right there. Let's grab a ellipse. I'm going to click on my top view so I can see how this ellipse is forming. So right now it's vertical, and then I can adjust the size, the width of it. So just whatever I want. And then click OK, green check, and we can see the sketch right there. So now let's go to extrude. We're going to extrude this like 10 millimeters. Okay, and then new, we want solid, new. Okay. And now we want to take this and we want to do the circular pattern. So we're going to click on entities pattern, this guy, pattern along the helix, and number of instances. So let's choose 10 or 20. We can see what it's doing. It's going around multiple times. So let me choose 10. That looks a little better. It looks like almost like a staircase. Okay, and if you ever want to skip any instances where it's maybe creating too much, you can always click here. We can say we want to skip like this one, and then you can see them disappearing. All right, actually I want all of them. And then you can play around with this. You could go with tangent curve, normal to curve. I'm not sure exactly why this one's not working, but the locked does work too. Locked keeps everything in the same orientation, and I think the best one would be tangent to curve. Okay, and let's say okay. Now if we just want those, now we can hide this guy. We can click on him and click Y. We can click on the helix, Y. This pattern is curved along that helix. All right, thanks for watching.